The group discussion technique is a very effective way to judge the candidate's ability to work in a group. This video explains some of the common GD topics based on education. Topic 1. Technology changing the face of education. Topic 2. E-learning pros and challenges. Topic 3. Open book exams pros, cons and challenges. Let's get started. Topic 1. Technology changing the face of education. In the past few years, we witnessed a major change in the world with the advancement of technology. Education sector is no exception to this. The way children are taught, and the way of interaction between students and teachers was changed a lot with the progress in technology. Positive side of the technology on education. With the help of technology, now students are learning concepts crystal clear. Now, anyone can do any course from any college around the world. Traditional classrooms are replaced by the interesting video lessons with the help of technology. Negative side of the technology on education. People are now relying on the ready available information instead of referring to the standard books written by experts. Traditional method of teaching imparts discipline in students. With increasing virtual communication, some students are developing social phobia. Conclusion. Technology has revolutionized education. It has improved the access and efficiency of learning. But still, India has a long way to go to increase its literacy levels and to spread the benefits of technology. Topic 2. E-learning pros and challenges. COVID-19 pandemic resulted in the rise of e-learning. This situation led to debates on whether e-learning is a good alternative to classroom learning. Pros of e-learning. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, students are not able to attend schools and colleges. Even in this situation, they didn't stop learning. This was possible due to the e-learning option. E-learning gives flexibility. Even if we miss any class, we can listen to it later. Students can repeat the lesson many times if they didn't understand the concepts. Teachers can explain the concepts using animations, so that students can understand the concepts much clearly. Challenges of e-learning. Classroom influences the overall personality development of students. With e-learning, students will be deprived of this opportunity. As students have to look at screens continuously, it can strain their eyes. With e-learning, teachers may not be able to focus on all the students, which will be possible in the classroom. Conclusion. E-learning is super beneficial for students as well as teachers, especially in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. But it cannot be a sustainable alternative to classroom learning. It can only be used as a supplement. Moreover, internet access should be available to all, so that every student can utilize this opportunity. Topic 3. Open book exams pros, cons and challenges. In open book exams, students are allowed to have their textbooks and other approved reference materials. They can check the material while writing their answers. The ability to find, analyze and apply the information will be tested through this type of exams. Pros of open book exams. Open book exams can be a boon for the students who have different learning abilities. Without the fear of memory-based tests, students can peacefully learn concepts. Open book exams can reform the method of teaching and can improve the quality of education. It can also eliminate cheating and copying. Cons of open book exams. With open book exams, students may not focus much on their studies. Open book exams may discourage students in memorizing even the basic things. As the evaluation in open book exams will be tough, it may put even more pressure on students. Challenges of open book exams. If students are not guided well to give open book exams, they may just copy what is in the textbook. Training a large number of evaluators in the new evaluation method is also a challenge. Conclusion. Open book exams can bring a revolutionary change in the Indian education system by reforming the method of teaching. But it may not be suitable for primary education and will be useful in higher education.